friends, Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So Christmas is around the corner and today we're going to make a delicacy. We're going to make a faux gras. We're going to make a mushroom pate, and I'm going to show you two ways of serving it. Actually, I'm going to show you the cold way and the Scandinavian way, baked in the oven. So let's go. What I have here is mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushrooms of your preference, and then you put it in a food processor and they're gonna turn into this. Now we're going to cook those vegetables, and I'm going to, of course, use my cast iron skillet. And you start by adding the shallots, fresh sage, rosemary and thyme. And as soon as they're golden brown, you add the mushrooms. The mushrooms are going to release the water, and then they're going to cook in their water, and then they're going to get dry again. Do not add more oil, okay? It won't be necessary. You're going to feel tempted to do so, but don't. It's not necessary. And for the spices here, I have garlic powder, nutmeg, white and black pepper, and salt. And now we're going to let it cook for 10-12 minutes. You're going to stir occasionally because we don't want it to stick to the bottom. Now it has browned a lot, and we are going to deglaze all this goodness with some good cognac or armagnac or sherry. If you don't drink, you can skip that part. Although by now the alcohol is already evaporated and you are left only with the taste of the cognac. Or you can also add a cognac essence, but like only 1 or 2 drops, okay? We don't want the cognac overpowering the faux gras or the LEVERPOSTEI. Now, some lemon juice and some lemon zest, just for some extra zing. That's enough. Some good mustard. Just a little bit, also to add some zing and some tanginess. And now all this is going to go back to the food processor because I want everything to become a paste. So this way, you're going to be able to enjoy it better, in my opinion. And here I have our pate, and now it's going back to the skillet with some butter. You can skip it for olive oil if you want, but the butter is that vegan butter that we made. And as soon as it's melted, you add the pate back. And now we're just going to stir a little bit, medium heat, okay? 1-2 minutes and it's okay. And now we're going to add the vegan cream cheese that we made, or a little bit of cream, vegan cream. My favorite for this is a cashew. If you're not using the vegan cream cheese, cashew cream is perfect for this recipe. Don't forget to taste for salt. Perfect. And now I'm just going to put it in a nice pot and perhaps cover it with some more melted vegan butter and some peppercorns, just because, you know, Christmas and I want to make things extra pretty, but if you don't want, that's fine. And also I'm going to show you how the Norwegians have it, the Norwegians and Scandinavians, especially Norwegians and Danish people, how they have that for Christmas, with warmed up in the oven with some mushrooms and a salad. And I'm going to bring somebody very special to taste this for you. our faux gras ready, our mushroom pate ready, and I have put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, so just so the vegan butter firms up. And but if you want to skip that part and don't add anything on top, it's up to you, because I understand that this dish is already rich as it is with a lot of oils and butter, so it's totally understandable. But it's Christmas and I want to indulge myself. And I see you next time. I'm gonna bring my guest over, and I hope he likes it. Let's see his opinion on my vegan pate.
Hello guys, as you see, it's finally Christmas here, and I'm going to get served my favorite dish for Christmas, and that is warm pate with mushroom. I just love it. This is really good.
You like it?
I love it.
Better than the original?
Much better. Okay guys, have a happy Christmas time, and I hope I can see you all in 2020, because there coming a lot of new videos. Salute, and what we say in Norway,
Skål!
skål! Och resten i håret.
That's strong.